Hi. Hey guys, my name is Chaubango. Welcome back to my channel. It's back to school season and I'm so excited because I'm a high school senior and it's my last year to make an impression and I may have gone really overboard. So today's video is gonna be a cool clothing haul slash shopping vlog and I hope you guys enjoy it because College Board definitely did not email me saying I have my SAT test next week and I'm still doing this video, so let's get started.
One of the first stores that I went to is Muji, and look at that, my bestie and her mom, so cute. This is actually not in America. I went to Vietnam this summer and this is their Muji. There are so many pens. I am just so excited. As you can see, Vietnamese Muji stores are just elite. And look at that, they have their own coffee store inside, they have a bakery, they sell food. There's just a lot going on inside this Japanese store and it's just heaven, you guys.
So the first store I went to is Muji and as you can see, I got a new backpack. Oh my god, last year I had this I had this tie-dye JanSport backpack and I swear it was even more popular than me. People just look at me and they're like, oh, it's a tie-dye backpack girl. They don't even know my name. I love this backpack so much. It's water repellent and it has so many pockets. Look at that. Oh my god, I love it. I also picked up a bunch of their pens and just look at them. They're so cute. If you want a closer look, I also uploaded a stationery haul and I think you should really check it out. I got the chaubango Nikki sweater. I'm pretty sure it's so comfortable and look at the knitting. I would really love to learn how to do cable knits like this. It's just so cute.
The only problem I have with this sweater is the exposed v-neck, so I usually just layer a white t-shirt under. Another item that I got from pacsun is the New York City Chloe t-shirt from their brandy Melville section. I'm in love with the New York City font, but as you can see, it's really cracked and that is my only complaint for this t-shirt. The next store I went to was brandy Melville and I really hate the message of this brand and how it's one size fits all, but I unfortunately do fit into most of their clothes and I just think that they have such cool simplistic designs, except this one, like I really don't know, and are also really high quality and that's the only reason I wear them, and also I want to be popular, so yeah. So I only got one thing from brandy Melville and I think that is the Trevi fountain top. I really don't know what came over me to buy this shirt. It's really oversized and long, so I think I'll just fold it up and wear it as a normal t-shirt. But yeah, there is just no justifying this purchase.
These are all the clothes I got in Vietnam. They're mostly like bottoms and denims and I don't know why, but like denim is so expensive even though they like started out as like workers clothing and they should be more accessible. We actually don't have Urban Outfitters in Vietnam, but I found this. These are Urban Outfitters overalls and you know how much I got them for? So they retail for about $70, $69 in the US and I got it for 360,000 Vietnam dong, which is about $15. If you really want to go shopping, do it in Vietnam because you'll have the best deals ever, I promise. I also got these jeans. These are my first ever pair of jeans. Yes, I am a denim jeans virgin, yeah. And these are so cute. They have these like ruffles on top, and I just love them so much. And I can actually just fold them up, and I could wear them as a normal pair of jeans, and these are a baggy fit. Next up is definitely the holy grail of this whole clothing haul, which is corduroy white shorts. Let me repeat, corduroy white shorts. And I cannot emphasize how many times I've worn them. They are so good, like they're so soft, and they're actually not that short, so my conservative Asian mom doesn't have to complain a lot. I can wear these anywhere, they go with everything. I also got a black t-shirt just because like I've said, I don't have that many basics. Okay, so I'm at Vincom, like a mall, and I just got one thing already. I got a white t-shirt, which I've been looking for forever. This one doesn't show my bra, and it's not paper thin, so I'm really happy. And right now we're approaching Typo, which I love.
So if you guys didn't know, Typo is a part of Cotton On, but for some reason, there's no Typo in America. You can buy them online, but that's just depressing because then you'll have to pay for shipping, and shipping is like $7, and these pencil cases are $7, so it's just really inconvenient.
I went to Cotton On also to get probably the most basic thing in this whole haul, which is a white t-shirt that I already stained at the booth. How nice. I don't know how that happened.
If you didn't already know, I took a trip to New York City this summer, and here's the view from the Nike flagship store in Soho, and I love that store so much. I found these shoes that I am in love with, but they were also extremely overpriced, and I don't think the neon pastel color scheme will go with any of my outfits. During my trip to Vietnam, I also found these sold out embroidered heart Valentine's Converses, and it was just love at first sight. But when you love something, you have to let it go, and also this didn't fit in my suitcase, so I couldn't buy it. And of course, I saved the best for last. This is one of my favorite stores. It's a gift shop that sells everything cute. They sell a ton of DIY stuff like candle sets, trinket dishes, and also stationery, pens, all those stickers. It's sticker heaven here. They even have a stuffed animal room that you can take selfies in, and it's just so cute. Basically, it's just a wonderful place to go burn all your money. I actually went with my best friend. It's also her first time witnessing all my YouTube shit, and let's just say both of us were really embarrassed in this moment. I don't know who the hell this girl is, but it's really fun being a YouTuber because you record a bunch of people you don't know, but then you just remember them so much because I spend like 10 hours editing each video, and yeah, there's just some stuff I remember really well.
So the last place I went to is called Oxen Shop, and this is typically not a clothing haul, but I guess it works too. I got a bunch of gift bags that I'm gonna give to my friends when I get back to school, and I also got 2 of these hair claws, and they work pretty great. Wow, that's a tight grip. Oh my god. Oh, they actually look pretty cute. Take these things more seriously. And next up, I got 4 scrunchies. I got 2 of these pink cherry scrunchies, and they are so cute. I also got this one, which is a white mesh scrunchie, and if you can see, there are glitters inside, and I had an amazing idea of just like cutting it apart and putting these glitters in slime. Lastly, I got this. It's like a beige brown color with black hearts. Other than that, I have these 2 notebooks. I thought they were really cute. And I finally got a new phone case. This just like exactly describes my mood during studying: stressed, sleeping, and staying up really late. And lastly, I have these 2 sticker packs that are cherry blossom themed, and a little phone can, or just something to paint on. Lastly, if all my clothing items do not swoon over boys, I have one last plan. I also got myself a bunch of books, and yes, I am a little bit biased towards Emily Henry, but you know, I just want to have that Rory Gilmore moment where Dean just notices me reading books and thinks, this girl is clever, she's cute, so yeah, hope people just look at my books and want to be my friends. And that's it for my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!